trending cryptocurrencies in the United States based on CoinGecko as of today. So these are some of the hottest crypto projects viewed recently by users from United States. The list is ranked by popularity and last update on 26 May 2025. So the top trending cryptos in it is IME-Lab. This is the number one IME-Lab. Price is 0.01561. Then second is GasPass, the meme token, 0.80. Of course, the number one, according to the CoinGecko, is in the United States. You have to buy, of course, the Bitcoin. Second, the Ethereum. Then another, the XRP. Then the JVIC network, Hyperliquid. Then Solana, Soy, PP, Visual Trump, Cardano, Dogecoin, BNB, and Shiba Inu. So these are the 12, I think 12 tokens that top trending today. So if you want to try, remember this is not a financial advice. If you want to try, the meme token is new. These two, no, you can try this in 24-hour tradings. Oh, so the GasPass is 3.8 million. Then BTC 29 billion. Then Ethereum, so the JVIC 70 million. The Hyperliquid, Solana, of course. Then the PP 1.5 billion. Okay, so based on the forecast today. So, but if you want to buy in a low value, just try these two, the Lime or the IME-Lab and the GasPass. Okay, so just click the token, example the GasPass. If you click the GasPass, you can down by 36%. So the market value is 3.2 million, but the 24-hour trading is 3 million. Then 120 trillion Ethereum in Ethereum base. Then where we can buy? So in the centralized exchange, you can buy in LBank. In the centralized, the Uniswap. Okay, so you can try this one of the trending token, although down by 36%. Okay, remember this is not a financial advice, educational purpose only. Okay, then another is this Lime, no? Or IME-Lab token. So follow game to Solana. So 0.015, 11 million market cap, 400,000 in trading, but the supply is, the maximum is 396 million only. No? Then where we can buy? So Git.io, Mix, Bitmark, Bing8Mix, XT.com. Another is the Poloniex. Okay, so these are the trending crypto in the United States. You can select in your country. Example in the country, the Philippines. So I will click the Philippines. Top trending crypto in the Philippines. IME-Lab, GasPass again, Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, Ethereum, BP, Grass, Hyperliquid, Shiba Inu, Ronin, then SmoothLab, Fusion, Pixel, Soy, then Axie Infinity. So these are the token or cryptos that the Filipinos buying now. Okay, so the two is still in the top, the GasPass and the. Okay, so I hope you learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. Thank you.